The motion will run out. Leave big ridges for you. And scrape. Very nice. Do it again. And scrape. Thinking of it. It's centered.
Hey, this.
We're going to use that.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Like if you're putting a design and it's just hot, you can burn it.
Yep.
Put the screen up there and burn it kind of where it goes.
Mm-hmm. It's a pre-registration. All right, next up.
That's nifty. I use one of these.
Nope. Use one to burn blackout.
This one?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Down, the other way. Yep. Down, then all the way back. Up. You got your index
fingers
finger?
up here.
Yeah, well, they'll go here to make it comfortable, but once you put pressure, those three fingers curl up in your hand. And we'll use those frames tomorrow.
What's up?
We'll use those frames tomorrow. You use different technologies and every day, just to give you a different. All right. All right. Tilt up, edges almost seal. Lock your wrists. Tilt back and scrape. Same thing. Get centered. Tilt up, edges almost seal. Keep the motion locked in. Lock your wrist. Okay, now down here, you rolled up your nose here. So this right here is outside, so that's not going to hurt anything. So everything else is so nice that we'll just take and just.
I could feel it.
Yeah.
I could feel it when I had
Yeah,
it.
your nose just roll forward just a little bit. That's the important thing. Well, that's the important thing. That's why we're doing hands-on, is that you feel what went wrong. And his nose, just at the beginning, he just rocked forward a little close, and it opened up, and he just lost a little bit. But everything else was so pretty, I didn't want to bother it because it was near the outside and near the top. We can use the other end of the screen. All right, go ahead and pull that down. Bring it out towards you. All right, next up. Okay. All right, so go ahead, push down, and then all the way back. All right, so here we go. Yeah, I'm a little jittery. I don't need any more caffeine. All right, how's the height for you? Yep.
See once I practice. So
You
here,
you put pressure, and then you tilt up, and you gotta lock your wrist. See, that nose should barely be.
Okay.
And what's that nose? Yep.
I think that's a good height.
A good height for you. All right. Okay. Here we go.
How did I?
Right.
Do I have my hands right?
Over that about 1 inch. Get time for the motion to run in. Void. You're going to tilt up.
Run the in-house.
Edges almost sealed. Keep coming up a little closer, a little closer, a little closer. It's going to run out the edges on you. Lock your wrist. Tilt back and scrape. There we go. Go do that again.
26 years when I did a job up there, they were did their own. I said no.
There's like a weird.
It got to a point where
Huh?
you just can't find
Oh, a little piece.
Go up and tilt head and go up. Make that tall. And I said, okay,
Yep.
yeah, I'll get it. And then slowly, but now I'm through. Now I'm done. You know, when I leave work, I leave.
Tilt up.
Work.
Edges. Lock your wrists.
Yeah. It's like we go, I was on the day,
Three.
Beautiful. I'm going to flip it around. You're going to do the inside. Yeah, you went really low. You only got to go about an inch below it, so you got really close to the frame where it's safe. So just go about an inch, about one finger gap below. Yes.
No technology.
There you go. Good center. Then you put pressure. You tilt up. Edges almost sealed. Motion runs through both edges. You lock your wrists. And there we go.